Good morning boys. In this video we are going to learn nuclear reactor, uses of nuclear reactor and nuclear power plant in India. Nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor is a device which undergo nuclear fission reaction in a self-sustained and controlled manner that produce electricity or electric current. The first nuclear reactor was built in 1942 at Chicago, USA. Then components of nuclear reactor: fuel, moderator, control rod, coolant and protection valve. First of all, fuel. Fuel is a fissile material. The fissile material is used as a fuel. Commonly, uranium used as a fissile material. Then moderator. A moderator is used to slow down the high energy neutron, to provide slow neutrons, or it used to change the high energy neutron into slow energy neutrons. Normally graphite and heavy water are used as a moderators. Next is control rod. Control rod are used to control the number of neutrons in the nuclear chain reaction. Mostly boron or cadmium rod used as a control rods. They are neutron absorbers. They absorb the extra neutrons. Then next is coolant. A coolant is used to remove the heat produced in nuclear reactor core in the form of steam. This steam is used to run the turbine to produce electricity. Water, air and helium are normally used as a coolants. Then protection wall. A thick concrete and lead wall is built around the nuclear reactor. This structure is prevent the harmful radiations escaping into the environment. How does nuclear reactor working and generate electricity? Nuclear reactor is working based on the principle of nuclear fission reaction. When neutrons strike uranium-235 in the fuel rod, that split into krypton and barium, and also that release two or more free neutrons. The control rod absorb the excess neutrons that left only one neutron that continue the next nuclear fission chain reaction. At this time, the nuclear fission chain reaction release more amount of heat energy inside the nuclear reactor core. Here, water used as a coolant. The cool water converted into steam in the heat exchanger. The series of metallic pipe conduct the heat. Normally, cool water converted into the steam. This steam moves the turbine. The turbine to move the coil and produce the generate electricity. The coolant got decreased the temperature and circulated back into the exchanger. This process continues and continuously we can generate the electricity. Then next is uses of nuclear reactor. Nuclear reactor widely used as in the production of electricity or electric current. Nuclear reactor used to produce radioisotopes for variety of applications. Some nuclear reactor used as a research center in nuclear physics. In breeder reactor used to convert non-fissionable material into a fissionable material. Then nuclear power plant in India. In Indian Atomic Energy Commission AEC established in August 1948 in Mumbai. Dr. Homi Jahangir Baba was the first chairman of Indian Atomic Energy Commission. Nuclear power is the largest power source in India. Tarapur Atomic Power Station is India's first nuclear power station. Now there are 7 atomic nuclear power stations in India. One in Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh. And also in Tamil Nadu has 2 nuclear power stations, Kalpakkam and Kudangulam. Apsara was the first nuclear reactor in India. Now we are operating 20 nuclear power plants in India.